Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to hop on and show you how I turned my Coach wristlet, the small wristlet, into a key pouch. So recently I've been looking for a larger key pouch that can hold both my keys as well as my bus pass and work ID. And it's been difficult to find something that's large enough to hold everything together, especially because my car key is pretty large. So if I ever want to carry my car key around, any normal key pouch will be overstuffed. And I think you saw that in my my other Coach key pouch, how it rubbed off the glazing because it's just so large. So what I ended up doing is I took this Coach wristlet, and in the tag here, I attached a key ring. And on the key ring, I attached just this chain thing that I had from a different keychain. There used to be a keychain on this end that I just took off. And so now I have a chain with a clip, and then I can just clip my keys on here. And obviously, the small wristlet is much bigger than any kind of key pouch, so I can just toss those in like that. And I have a beautiful key pouch. And the key pouch has two card slots for my bus pass and my work ID. These are not my work ID or bus pass. I just put in some generic cards in there so that you get the idea. But yeah, I've been really happy with this transformation of my wristlet to a key pouch. And I'm sure you can find a similar chain on Amazon to do the same to yours. So yeah, that's just my quick and dirty little conversion. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions. And the giveaway of the Coach item that I ordered is still coming. The Coach item has not been delivered. I don't think it's even been shipped. So I've been going back and forth with the Coach outlet to figure out why it hasn't been shipped. But hopefully it will get here soon and I can start the giveaway on my channel. So thanks for watching and see you later.